Throw the ball to Mommy. Good job, Olive. Do you want Mommy to get that? You ready? Oh, get the ball. Ball. Hey, don't lick the floor. Where are you going? Oh, are you sleepy? Oh, so sweet. Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. Where are you going? Are you sliding across the floor or what? Oh, now you're going to get... Where's your ball? Oh, did you find a bag? Olive.